The F-22 Raptor is the United States Air Force's premier fifth-generation air superiority fighter. Designed from the ground up to dominate contested skies through a combination of stealth, supercruise, advanced sensors, and lethal weapons integration. Born out of the Advanced Tactical Fighter program, the Raptor first flew in 1997 and entered operational service in 2005, replacing older air dominance platforms and providing the USAF with a jet that blends air superiority, precision strike, and electronic warfare capabilities into one highly capable aircraft. At its heart, the F-22 is a stealthy, twin-engine fighter built with low observable shaping, specialized materials, and internal weapon bays, so that it can approach targets with a much lower radar signature than legacy aircraft. Its structure, faceted surfaces, and inlet, exhaust design all work together to reduce radar cross-section. The internal carriage of primary weapons keeps its external profile clean during stealth missions, while the airframe still supports external stores when stealth is not required. These design choices let the F-22 operate early and decisively in high-threat environments. Propulsion comes from two Pratt & Whitney F119 PW100 turbofan engines that produce roughly 35,000 pounds of thrust each and incorporate two-dimensional thrust vectoring nozzles. That propulsion package gives the Raptor exceptional acceleration, maneuverability, and crucially tactical supercruise, the ability to sustain supersonic flight without afterburners. But in practical terms, the F-22 can supercruise at speeds above Mach 1.5 in clean configurations, allowing it to close with or disengage from threats faster and with a much smaller infrared and radar signature than if afterburners were used. The engine's thrust vectoring is fully integrated into the flight control system, enabling precise control during extreme maneuvers. Sensor and avionics integration are another area where the F-22 sets it apart. The AN/APG-77 Active Electronically Scanned Array (AESA) radar provides long-range target detection, high update rates, and low probability of intercept modes. It is paired with comprehensive sensor fusion that aggregates radar, EOIR, and passive threat warning inputs into a single, intuitive picture for the pilot. This sensor fusion dramatically reduces pilot workload, while increasing situational awareness, target identification range, and engagement options. So the Raptor can detect, track, and prosecute multiple threats nearly simultaneously. When it comes to weapons, the F-22 was designed around internal carriage to preserve stealth, while carrying an effective mix of air-to-air and air-to-ground munitions. The aircraft has a large central weapons bay plus two side bays. The internal arrangement can hold multiple long-range air-to-air missiles, such as the AIM-120 AMRAAM, and short-range missiles like the AIM-9 Sidewinder in the side bays, while a retractable M61A 220mm cannon provides short-range lethality when needed. In situations where stealth is less critical, the Raptor can carry external stores on wing pylons to expand payload or range, but doing so reduces its low observable advantage. The combination of long-range missiles, a high-performance radar, and stealth makes the F-22 a lethal first mover in contested airspace. Range and endurance are sized to support the Raptor's role as a theater air dominance asset. With internal fuel and the ability to accept aerial refueling, the F-22 can undertake extended patrols, long-range interception missions, and expeditionary deployments. Ferry ranges increase further with external tanks when required. Service, ceiling, and high-altitude performance let it detect targets at greater slant ranges, increasing the effective engagement envelope for both sensors and weapons. Operationally, the F-22 has been used primarily as an air superiority and homeland defense asset, flying missions to deter and, if necessary, defeat adversary air forces. It has been exercised extensively in joint and coalition training events and has demonstrated its capabilities in real-world deployments, supporting airspace, defense, and expeditionary posture. Production of the F-22 was limited. A combination of budget constraints, shifting priorities, and program decisions reduced planned buys to 195 airframes, 187 operational, making the Raptor a relatively small but extremely potent force multiplier for the USAF. Like all complex high-end systems, the F-22 program has required continuous upgrades and sustainment efforts, avionics refreshes, Radar software updates, weapons integrations, and structural and maintenance improvements have extended the platform's effectiveness. The aircraft's maintenance and logistics footprint is significant. But the USAF has invested in sustainment programs to keep the fleet mission-ready and to evolve capabilities such as improved radar modes, data links, and future weapon compatibility. SILF. In short, the F-22 Raptor combines stealth engineering, powerful and vectoring propulsion, advanced sensors and sensor fusion, and internal weapons carriage to deliver an aircraft optimized for winning control of the skies. Its design philosophy emphasizes first look, first shot, first kill in contested environments, and although production numbers are limited, the Raptor remains the benchmark for air superiority fighters and a core pillar of U.S. aerial dominance. Every time an F-22 climbs to intercept or patrol, it projects speed, stealth, and decisive lethality, a capability that, for now, few other aircraft can match.